Princess Squad, it's T here. I am here at Walmart because I'm looking for the viral Squishmallow summer release, and I'm in the section. Let's check it out. First off, I see some jumbo Squishmallow, but not what I saw on TikTok. These cute small ones, a donut, cupcake, itty bitty ones. Oh my gosh, this boba one is so cute. So far, none of the summer ones, so let's keep looking. Oh my goodness, I was getting sad over there. They didn't have it in the regular seasonal aisle, but they have it on this random end cap close to the stationery. I'm super excited. I am so excited right now. Everything is here on this end cap. I really love this pineapple Hawaiian lunchbox. It's my favorite things. Of course, this chill ice cream lunchbox and even the shark one. They also have so many cute pouches that you could put your school supplies in, or even random things that you need for the pool or the summer. And they also have postcard stationery. These are so cute. I love this pineapple one, of course. And of course, this ice cream one that says chill. They also have collectible tins. They have cute little pins inside. This one's super cute. You guys know I love pineapple once again. And this swimming float one. They also have pens, you guys. Squishmallow pens. So many to pick from. This axolotl one. And of course the pineapple one. This is the last one. And here we have notebooks. Love the summer vibes. This chill one is super cute and more summer vibes. I really like this one. Shell, yeah. Of course this axolotl one's so adorable. And we have different little mini notepads. This is like a kind of fabric material. They're also adorable. I really love the theme. I can't get over how cute the axolotl and the pineapple one is. These are AirPod buds. So cute. I just want them all. There's even zipper pouches. I am in love. This axolotl is just so cute. And of course they have these cute little mini Squishmallow keychains that you can get. Oh, my favorite is this water bottle right here. I just love the color, and of course the pineapple is giving me summer vibes. There's so many to pick from. And of course this cup with a straw pineapple, my favorite, like I said. And this stingray or shark, I'm not sure what it is. If you guys know, let me know. For now, I'm just going to add all of these items to my cart. Of course, I'm going to add all the pineapple ones because pineapple is my favorite. Which one would you add? Leave a comment and let me know which one out of the summer collection items you love the most. For me, of course, the pineapple. I don't want to go overboard. I really want the axolotl stuff, but I'm just going to add everything from the pineapple collection in here because it reminds me of summer. But I'm going to get this axolotl pen, however. All of this stuff is just so cute. Yep, TikTok made me do it. And there it is, my Squishmallow Pineapple Summer Collection. Best day ever. Okay, I'm gonna go check out one more thing that I saw on TikTok that went viral. So let's see if they have it. But this is the best day ever. I can't believe I found it. Okay, it was a My Life like boba set, but I don't see it here. I do see other ones that's super cute. I love collecting tiny things. However, they do have all of these cute mini sets. There's Care Bear, travel sets, school supplies, more travel set, lunch set, Hello Kitty. Oh my goodness, this Hello Kitty set is so cute. These slippers, and of course a Charmeleon set. No boba, I'm sad, but we'll keep looking.